Hey, I'm Curtis Martin from Wilmington, North Carolina at our shop here at Martin Custom Woodworking, and we're going to show you how to route letters into wood. What we want to do here today, the way we're going to do it is with a very small router, about a 1/4 inch routing fluting bit. We take the piece of wood, we want to clamp it down securely to the work surface. We're going to draw the letters directly on the piece of wood. This is called freehand routing. It's fairly simple. You're just going to put the thing down just like you would a giant pin. Imagine yourself with a giant pin in your hand. You turn the router on, you're going to focus it right on top. It's protruding out about a 1/4 inch, so the depth cut will be about a 1/4 inch. Once we place it over the letter, we start at the top, turn the router on, push down, and just with both hands walking it around the letter, keeping a firm grip on the router. You don't want to take a real deep pass on a letter like this. It's much safer to take small passes. Depending on the overall look you want, it doesn't take very much of a depth, maybe a 1/16 of an inch for it to show a difference, a three-dimensional picture. If you're going to take a sign like this, say you're making a sign for your yard, maybe a yard sale sign, you could use it for your letters on your house. You could put it out in front. And you could paint the background one color. You could paint the actual letter that you routed out a different color. It makes it more outstanding. You could also do all kinds of crafts with it. This is just one way to route letters into wood.